Field installation of the remote sensor on an LBW 420. LBW 420 remote sensor. This is a 50-foot remote sensor. First, disconnect power. Our units are designed for one sensor per unit. When we do a remote sensor, we are taking the local sensor off the unit and remote locating it up to 500 feet away from the detector box. We start by removing the local sensor pigtail in preparation for the remote sensor. From behind, you can gently pull on the sensor socket until the sensor pops out. We'll hang on to this for our remote sensor installation. This grommet needs to be removed. Most people do EMT installation. We'll put a fitting on. I'm not going to attach the EMT conduit at all. We're just going to use it as an example. The wire from the remote sensor is run into the fitting. And then we terminate on the terminal strip where we took the local center pigtail off. Everything is done by the color code on the terminal strip. Not a lot of pressure needs to be exerted on the screws when hooking these wires in. The only color that changes is the red wire now wires in to the REM terminal on top. We up the voltage for remote sensor applications, and that red wire needs to be wired on that terminal. The other thing that changes is that we do use a shield on a remote sensor that needs to be grounded on the ground terminal. Again, just following the color code. If the red wire is not put on the REM terminal, the unit will fault code an error 1 message. And until that red wire is moved back from the red terminal to the REM terminal, will it work properly. That's the termination at the LBW 420 unit. The termination at the remote sensor box, basically you're getting a cable, sensor board, sensor socket board, and that's it. The grommet that we took off the 420 box gets inserted. Circuit board is installed from the back side. The sensor is installed. Install the sensor with the group number of the sensor so that it's upright. Place the cover. This box needs to be installed like this so that we can do the testing and calibrating in a vertical position. Also, make note that you do not want to run any conduit or any obstructions underneath the remote sensor so that we can get the test bottle underneath there for the testing and calibration. This concludes the field installation of a remote sensor on an LBW 420.